Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make ebook covers and 3D mockups, as well as where you can make money online selling these ebook covers and 3D mockups. So guys, I'll be showing you how you can create this very simple ebook cover. I'll also be showing you how you can do this 3D mockup of the same ebook cover that you're seeing right here. Along with that, guys, I'll be showing you the website that you can go on to actually sell these 3D mockups and ebook covers and possibly earn a good amount of money over time. Okay guys, so the website is Fiverr.com and you can definitely make money on it selling ebook covers and 3D mockups. Now, if we look at any one of these sellers here, let me just look at any one of them. It has over 1,000. So here guys, we have a gig for a particular individual, and by gig, a gig on Fiverr is simply a service that you're offering. So for this particular person, they're offering 3 packages, and for the basic package they'll offer an ebook or front cover in 2D and ebook or front cover in 2D and 3D, but we're focusing on just the 3D. But here we're seeing that would be for $10. And if we notice here, this person has definitely gotten orders. As you see here, this person has over 1,700 reviews. This person has 3 orders in queue, so you can definitely see that this is definitely a service that persons are paying for on Fiverr. So guys, if we should do the math, if this person has over 1,700 reviews, of course not everyone that buys from this person may have left any reviews. So if we're just looking at it roughly to say 1,700 times the $10 there, then we're looking at $17,000, right? And that's a good bit of money to earn from doing a service like this. Bear in mind though that Fiverr does take a percentage of what you earn, so it doesn't mean that this person would have gotten all of that $17,000, but they would have gotten the majority of that money for sure. And again, remember, that's just an approximate figure. It's not the exact figure of what this person possibly earned. So it's definitely a website, guys, that you can go on and offer a lot of different types of services, but of course today we're focusing on ebook cover. So now that I've told you about the site, guys, let's go over to now creating that ebook cover and doing the 3D mockups. So see you in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. So to create the ebook cover now, we're gonna use Canva. So I'll just go here to the search box and type in ebook cover and wait for that to load. So guys, if you want to get an inspiration for what type of cover you can create based on the title or the genre, then you can definitely check out some of the templates that are here in Canva. As you see me doing here, scrolling down the page, there are quite a bit of different templates that you can look at and get a feel and an idea of how you can possibly design your ebook cover. As well as, guys, you can always search on Google, where you simply type in top 5 romance ebooks, and from there you'll be able to see the top 5 romance ebooks that are being sold. Possibly you could put top 5 ebooks being sold on Amazon, and there you could just look at the covers, see how they're being designed, and from there get some inspiration as to how you can possibly design your cover for your ebook. But for this video, guys, I'm just gonna work with a blank template because I'm just gonna do a very simple ebook cover. Now to start off, guys, I'm going to go to photos, but let me pause to say something to you all. If you have the free version of Canva, don't think that you can't create your ebook cover, because in Canva we do have some free pictures that you can use, but also you can go online to different sites where you can get free stock images to use, and some of these sites are Pexels, Unsplash.com, Pixabay, pxhere.com. I'll put those on the screen so you can see those names as well. So definitely, guys, you can go to these sites and get free stock images, really good images that you can use when designing your ebook covers. So back to this now. So I'm just gonna use this picture here that's in Canva, this image. So I'll just click on it and drag it over to my page here. Then I'm just going to use Canva's dragging feature here to just drag my image and position it how I want it on my design here. Now the title of this ebook is going to be Forever Yours. So let me just maximize this page a bit more so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, so here we have the picture. The title is going to be Forever Yours. So let me get that done. Now to get my text going, guys, as usual, I just press T on my keyboard. So I have my text box. I'll just type in the word forever and drag it and position it where I want it to be. Okay, now for the word yours. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and change the font style. Okay, great. So I'm just gonna enlarge the word yours and change the color as well as reposition it. Go up here and change the color. And enlarge the word forever as well. Alright, so basically, let me see if I can position that so it looks a tad better. Alright, so that's basically it, guys. Pretty simple. Now I'm just going to add the author's name, and this is fictitious, a fictitious name. I'm just gonna choose to use. So that's gonna be Bree Lee. And I'm just gonna position it right here and change the font color so that it's more visible. Alright, so that's it basically, guys. That's the ebook cover. Very simple. So remember though that you have all those options as I mentioned before, those avenues for, you know, looking at different designs and then deciding on a design that, you know, will really deliver a design that will be really appealing for your client when you do get those clients. All right, so we have the ebook cover design. So the next thing now is to simply do our 3D mockup. So of course, guys, you want to go ahead and download your ebook cover that you just created. So that I just created actually. So to download it, I'm just gonna change the size to 2x and keep this PNG suggested file type and download it. And of course, once this is finished, it's finished, we're going to head over to creating those 3D mockups, or that 3D mockup. So guys, the site that you'll be creating your 3D mockup on is DIYbookcovers.com. So here, guys, we're waiting on this to load. So on this site, you're able to create your ebook, your 3D mockups for free for your ebook cover, so you don't have to worry about paying some sort of fee to get these mockups. So you just Once you're on the site, you're gonna come to book design right here and click on 3D mockups. Then it's just 3 simple steps. For the first step, you want to select the template that you want. So you have the single templates, which are these versions, these mockup versions, and you have the composite. Now composite is the one I'm gonna use, and composite looks like this, where you have more than one different mockup there that is joined together to create that composite. Alright, so this is the one I'll be using, so I'm just gonna click on it and then select next. Then now it's just a matter of uploading the file or the ebook cover that we just created in Canva. And once it's uploaded, guys, you'll click on upload right here and wait for it to reach 100% down at the bottom here. So once your image is loaded like this, beautifully done, then you'll just go ahead and click next. Once you click next, you have the option of saving your image as your mockup as a PNG or JPG file. So I'm going to select PNG and then simply wait for it to download. Okay, so now we're gonna take a look at this mockup to see what it's looking like. This is taking a while to load as per usual. Guys, so here you have it. This is your 3D mockup, and as you saw on the site, you had a lot of other versions that you could use, or other mockup types that you could choose to download to have your 3D in, so feel free to check out those ones. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, share it, as well as subscribe to this channel for more videos. So guys, that's it for today. Feel free to ask any questions that you may have in the comment section below and I'll respond to you. Thanks for watching. Until my next video, talk to you then. Bye.